Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Fire Ants Blazing, hitting y'all up with another video. And today we are going to be doing a unboxing of the JBL Harman Kardon Charge 5. And as you can see, today I am hands-free. Finally, I got me a tripod for my cell phone. So now I can do stuff for free now. Hands free without having to worry about using one hand. After 5 to 6 years of doing this, I came to the conclusion to just go ahead and get one of these. I felt like I didn't need it at the time because I didn't really have time to go get one. So now I finally had time to get one and I got one. So today we are going to get the Harman Kardon JBL Charge 5 unboxed. 20 hours of playtime. If it's on the full charge, if you playing regular, if you blasting it, probably 10 hours at the most, half of that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy open. And I also got something else mixed up with it. Boom. I found something that matched it. This is Rue 21, hashtag Rue Cologne for men. Go and try this out. This is pretty good. This is a good smelling cologne. It's pretty nice. It's got a nice design and stuff on it too. That's pretty good. All right, anyways, I need to say one thing. Be sure to hit that like button, because if you hit the like button, this tells me what type of videos y'all like to have. If y'all want these type of videos, or do you want the computer repair videos like I did a few months ago. Or do you want beats? I make beats too. This is my SoundCloud channel name, Anthony Rebel 1, and I have beats on my YouTube channel. I am about to start making more. Let me know. Hey. But today we are back onto this topic. It's been 2 minutes. Let me go ahead and just get this bad boy open. See, and the point of having one of these, you be at work and you got to have it. You got to have some play charge endlessly. All right, let's see what we got in here. I'll go ahead and put this in here, open it up, see what we got. I'm gonna do this real fast. USB type B. Get this out of here. I'm sorry, guys. Once again. This is a JBL quick start guide, which we don't need. And this is the main thing I want to see. Now, here we go. Here's a big reveal. I got the blue. Got the blue one. There's your speakers. You can hear them. Yep, pretty loud. JBL. There it is right here. And here is the top. Bluetooth, play, plus minus, and your infinite loop playback. That's pretty good. All right, so next we're gonna turn this bad boy on. Well, it's on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook this up with my phone. I'm actually shooting this with a Samsung Galaxy S20, and I'm using my S8 to get the songs. Okay, so Let me go ahead and hook this up right quick. Yep, JBL Charge 5. All right. We're 5 minutes in. It's connected. What I'm going to do, I'm going to play one of my beats from my SoundCloud. Ah, shoot. All right. Even with these, it's hard. It's difficult. I keep bumping this thing. All righty. All right. Pulling up SoundCloud now because we're going to do a sound test and see what this thing sound like. All right. We're pulling up SoundCloud now. And also, guys, I am fully healed and fully recovered from my car accident. Thank God to be here. I'm still alive. You know, we still doing this, you know. One second, getting everything set up. Yeah, there it is. One more time. So I'm just gonna play one beat. You know, get my take on it to see if it's worth it. I got the receipt over there on the other side. Let's see. I'm gonna play. You know what? I gotta view all my tracks. I don't want to play some of these because of the samples that I put on some of these. Kind of. I'll play this one. It's pretty loud, baby. Man, this thing is amazing. Man, this thing is awesome, yo. This thing is hella loud. I thought that was on full blast when I first turned it on. Like always. It sounded, when I played it in the beginning, that's what it sounded like. Yo, it sounded like my other one. Hold on, let me pull this thing up. It sounded better than my Alt-Tag. It sounded way better than my Alt-Tag. Yo, thank you, JBL. Y'all did a good job with this one. Like, it's totally worth the price. And right now, you can go to Walmart right now and get this bad boy for what? $148.38 after taxes in North Carolina. Because this is North Carolina here. Man, this is amazing. Hey, y'all want to play this one? I don't know. I made this beat too. It's on here. Yeah. It's a slow version of it though. It's one of them old school beats I made way back in the 2017s, 2016s. But it's pretty nice, man.
Fire Ants Beats, let's get it.
Yeah, guys, that's the end of the video, guys. If y'all got any questions about this speaker, hey, talk about it in the comments and stuff like that. I played a couple beats in the background, so you know that it'll sound good, you know, back here. But yeah, this thing is beasting, man. I suggest you really get it. It's totally worth it. I mean, it's worth it because it was $179 if you were to buy it off of the JBL website. So you saving about $20. So if you go ahead and go to Walmart and buy it, I mean, you're gonna save $20. But anyways, I see y'all next time. Fire Ants Blazing, signing out. Peace. And be sure to leave your boy a like and a comment and share, and we can get this thing rolling. And thank you, viewers. You have really made my day, because we have 730,000 views over. I appreciate it. Look at this. Look at this. Man, this is, I love it. Thank you. I appreciate it. Peace.